What's up, YouTube? Reeses Pythons. Giving y'all an update on the rebuild of Reeses Pythons. Yesterday, I received my first 2 steaks. Valentine's Day presents from the wife and kids. They started it off to help me rebuild Reeses Pythons, and I am grateful and blessed for them. Also, shout out to Mikey over at Fit the Phantom, local pet store, where these girls come from. One was donated to me, and my wife bought the other one because of the donation. So, everybody helped each other out. They helped me, he helped my wife help me, and she helped him help me. So, that's love. That's kind of how this community is built, and I am so happy to be a part of it. You really see how warm-hearted some people are when situations like this occur, such as mine. So I want to thank everybody and let you guys know I appreciate all the comments, all the messages, all of the money that was sent to me, all of the snakes that are being sent out to me, shipped out to me. I appreciate every last one of y'all. And of course, I'm going to do videos as these snakes come in to let you guys know who they come from, who's showing love, just everything. I can't wait for this whole rack, along with my other racks, to be filled up with snakes. I appreciate everybody. I can't stretch it enough. Y'all are a blessing to me. And I was told that I am a blessing. I was and has been a blessing to others. And that is such a good feeling. Right here we have a female pinstripe, 100% het pied, 100% het albino. So it will be a pinstripe double het albino pied. Right here we have a lesser. Beautiful girls. And I'm glad to have them in my rebuild of Reeses Pythons. It is amazing, you guys. It really is. Look at the dorsal stripe on this girl. From the neck area all the way down. No breakage. No breakage at all. So again, I want to thank everybody that reached out to me. Gave me the condolences, the sympathy, just everything. I love the reptile community. And like I said in my last video, you really don't know how beautiful people are, how beautiful this community is until it hits home. So that's where I'm at with it, you guys. So I encourage people to continue on being nice to others. Love others as you love yourself. Do unto others as you would have others to do unto you. That's some Bible verses. Yes, I do know some parts of the Bible. I was raised in a church. So I understand when you treat people good, good come back to you. So I love you all. God bless you guys. I'll talk to y'all in my next video.